The interchange is the intersection between the M41 and the N2. The project is known as the Mount Edgecombe upgrade. We experience extremely high volumes of traffic on the old interchange, and the high volumes subject people to long hours of standing in queues and waiting. The old interchange is controlled by two intersections which are controlled by traffic lights, and the whole reason for the upgrade is to convert the interchange into a total free flow system where there'll be no stopping.
This is currently the biggest construction project in KZN, or the Eastern region for SANRAL. So money-wise or monetary-wise, it's one of the biggest now currently. And just the type of construction that's happening here. There's two major ramps that's being constructed. Both of them are being constructed by the incrementally launch method, which is not a new method, that's also being used everywhere. But the one bridge, the uniqueness of that, it will be constructed from the two ends, from the south abutment and from the north abutment. And it will be launched simultaneously from both sides, and then they'll meet in the middle. And when it's completed, it's going to be almost 1 kilometer long. So that will be the longest incrementally launched bridge in the country.
Our scope of works is mainly the pedestrian bridge that runs over the freeway and the retaining walls. The walls retain the earthworks that are going to be where the road is going to be constructed on. And if there's a steep embankment, these walls are here to protect earth from falling onto the side. That's why they are retaining walls.
The wall is still plumb. It's 100% perfect. It's plumb. You can see the bubble is in the center of the level. That shows that it is plumb.
This is a very impressive work that will give a big improvement to the development of the area, because the presence of the interchange will not only facilitate, but as well give a new spirit to this need and requirement from the community that, of course, will grow up together with the infrastructure.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
I'm extremely excited about the project because it's actually a culmination of a life experience. Having done in excess of 40 years in engineering, that you come to a large project with all its challenges. One can imagine that while you're putting in over 2 kilometers of bridges and building over 17 kilometers of roadway, it takes a lot of coordination, excessive planning, and above everything else, ensuring that everything is built to a standard and to quality. We possibly will, at the end of the interchange, have the longest incremental launch bridge in South Africa.